Welcome to the Procrasticamper application. This is the main dashboard. It's the hub for keeping your RV road life organized. Scrolling down, you'll see the reservation section, where you can see your trip targets and your booked stays. Since this is our first visit, we'll see the buttons Add Your First Target and Add Your First Booking. Instead, let's create this booking directly on the timeline. Let's click View My Reservations. This is your reservation timeline, your planning command center. The first step when you come to this screen is to add a booked reservation or a target. Let's add a booked reservation. Select your date range and your location. If you're new to RVing or you're not sure what park to book, there are other tools that can help suggest campgrounds and routes. We'll get to that later. But for this tool, we already know the park we want. Just to be clear, let's turn off state parks, national parks, other, and custom, and limit the list to just Thousand Trails and Encore parks. If you don't see a park in the list, just click the plus button. That lets you add a new park to the list. Choose who this reservation is for. Choose either private, shared, or community. Let's make this private. We'll leave the check-in and check-out alerts set to their defaults and create the booking. And there it is, your first booking in My Bookings. Now let's see where our friends are and try to line something up together. We'll show how to find and add friends in another video. For now, we already have a few connected friends sharing their plans. So let's find a park where we overlap. Now we'll click the Overlap toggle. This highlights any reservations that overlap. No overlap in Orlando, no problem. Let's duplicate our friend's reservation as a target and try to get into the same park. Click on our friend's reservation and you'll see a button called Create Duplicate. We click that and there it is. Nice. Now you can see the overlap highlighted. We've got a target that matches our friend's reservation. Now let's share it with our friend. Just click Share, pick our friend, and hit Save. That's it. Now they'll see our target reservation in their timeline. Let's head back to the Friends timeline and duplicate a few more reservations as targets. This gives us more target reservations to try and book. Hopefully we can book one so we can camp with friends. Okay, here we hit the jackpot. If we book Fort Myers, we'll overlap with 3 different friends, at least for a few days. Before we start a group chat about that potential overlap gathering, let's first add a target to fill this gap. Click the plus button in the gap. We'll select the button to create a new target. It already has the date range filled out for us, which is nice. We just need to select a location. Let's put Peace River in there for now. Now we've got the location and the date entered. Let's set the audience. This time, let's share this with the entire community. That way others can see our plans and maybe even join us. And it also means they can help us get this reservation by keeping an eye out, in case it becomes available. We'll leave this at first priority for now, and next we'll set up alerts. Here you can see the default availability alert. This means we'll get notified if someone sees that this reservation is available in the community. Let's look at this in more detail. We'll get a device push alert if we have that enabled, and we'll also get an in-app notification. We can enable email notifications if that's useful, and we'll have SMS notifications available soon. So now, back to that Fort Myers overlap. Let's see if we can create a gathering with our 3 friends while we're all there together. On second thought, this is getting pretty long, so let's save this for the next video. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe so you can get updates on new features as they're added to the app. It's time for the Squirrel and the theme song.
Counting miles in the rear view, chasing sunsets in the sky. On the road with endless dreams that always pass by. But wait, there's a Procrasticamper, our friendly guide. To schedule all our wanderings and plan each ride with Procrasticamper.
We design our trails, linking routes with RV friends. No plan ever fails. Campgrounds reserved, calendars aligned, a community of nomads with journeys intertwined.
I love Procrasticamper.
Procrasticamper helps me find my friends. Procrasticamper is awesome.
Every highway's an adventure, every stop a tale. Procrasticamper's got our back, it's never stale. Sharing stories by the fire, schedules intertwined with RV tools in hand. Peace of mind
Procrasticamper makes camping more
we
fun.
find with Procrasticamper. Redesign our trails, linking routes with RV friends. No plan ever fails. Campgrounds reserved, calendars align. A community of nomads with journeys intertwined. Connecting on the road, new friendships to make. Procrasticamper sets the stage for paths we take. From timelines to destinations, all mapped with care. A shared expedition, adventures we declare. With Procrasticamper, dreams take flight, guiding our RVs through day and night. Together we wander, together we roam. Procrasticamper's the tool that feels like home.
They really need to put more time into this music video. I guess they're working on the app all the time.